Hey mathematicians, let's do your homework. Okay, so this first one, we have a picture, a model of what's going on, but also not every single model, but a lot of them will actually just tell you what the equation is that that model is representing. So if you're not paying attention, then you have to do the step of like, okay, I see an x, I see 3 negatives, but if you are paying attention, it's actually written here twice for you. You're just solving this equation. So you need to isolate your x and tell me x equals whatever it equals. The nice thing about a multiple choice is you could also guess and check these. Is it true that 7 minus 3 makes 10? No, 7 minus 3 makes 4. Okay, so A is out. Two possible ways to solve this one. Here we have another model, and again, another time where they already told you what the equation is. They're not trying to trick you here. This is literally what's printed in the picture. It's just there for you, and you don't even need to interpret the picture yet. The area of a rectangle is 51 square feet. The base is 6 feet. What is the height? I'm hoping that we all remember how to find the area of squares and rectangles from 3rd, 4th, 5th grade, but in case you don't, here's the official formula. Capital A is for area, lowercase b is for base, lowercase a is for height. The way you find an area of a rectangle or square or parallelogram, but you might not know that yet, is to multiply your base times your height. So we're doing 6 times something, and we know it's going to equal 51. You need to figure out what that something is. On the back, holy cow, number 4 is super duper easy. You don't need me to do that for you. Number 5, Miss Michaels distributed, that's like the distributive property, gave out equally 52 flower bulbs to students in the science club. Each student received 4 bulbs to plant in the flower bed. How many students are there? So she has 52 flower bulbs. She's going to split that 52 into, here's a group of 4, here's a group of 4, here's a group of 4, until she runs out. Whatever this number is how many students are in the science club, because she's going to give it to every single kid. You do not need to, oops, dismissal is about to start. You do not need to write anything in there. And the last one, I drew you a little hint because we have not officially covered this yet. Triangles, tri means 3. We can probably tell the triangles have 3 sides and 3 angles. 2 angles of the triangle have a sum of 84 degrees. That means if I call this X, Y, and Z, these 2 added together makes 84. I want to know what this one is. And the hint I gave you is that all 3 angles of a triangle, no matter what kind of triangle, no matter what isosceles, scalene, acute, whatever kind of name we give our triangle, they always add up to 180 degrees. So X and Y, that makes 84, and we just need to figure out what Z is. There's your equation. You just need to tell me what that 3rd angle is, and just write it like a solution and box your solution. I don't need the griddable. That was a really fast homework. See you tomorrow.